Carolyn. Good work with your book review here. You have really interesting material to work with. Your summary covers a lot of ground. Here's a big book. You have good examples of your analysis of facts that got your attention. You have good, clear action step. Your writing is good overall. You don't have very many grammatical problems or other stuff that trip up your readers, so that really helps us to follow what you're saying. Good job. All right. If you want to keep working on this one, some things to do. First sentence, you give us a shocking fact. What exactly is his argument in the book? It's nice to start out by just telling us what the overall point of the book is as a whole, if you can kind of make a guess at what that is. Sometimes it's more clear than others. This is a big book, and you covered a lot. I would ask for even a little bit more, so that all 10 sections of the book are represented in the summary, a little bit at least. And, if a couple of them are similar, you could say, well, first he talks about the problems of farmers in India, and then he talks about them in Mexico, even if those were two different sections, for example. But a little more mention of geography, I think, would help, since that seems to be a big part of what he's doing here. And let's see here, what else? Say a little more about what he says, and says about the topics she named. So, you say there's saddening facts that farmers are committing suicide. So where are they committing suicide? Why are they committing suicide? And it's clear what's his point about those suicides. And again, when you talk about soy, he talks about soy. What does he say about soy? Is he saying that that's bad? Is he saying, gee, it's everywhere, it's really hard on people with allergies? What's his point? Okay. You said it seems well written to you. So you said, well, as far as I can tell, that's fair enough. Here's some possible things you could talk about with that. Organization. Is it clearly organized? Are the sentences clear and easy to read? Does he use humor? Does he use facts effectively in such a way, scroll up, that you can tell what's going on? Does he document his sources well? Does he, So those are the kinds of things you can talk about. In the margins, I've written a few other questions, and your grade isn't as high just because you needed the reference for the review. It was a required part of the assignment. That's really quick and easy to add and just bring your grade up. So, yeah, but good work. Thank you for presenting this interesting book to us.